Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 23rd of February 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Bitcoin, BTCUSD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction, or 2 weeks ago's prediction in this case, and go over this week's in more detail. But before getting into the video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So, monthly charts, we can see Bitcoin has been on a long running uptrend. We had this double top here. It crashed back down. You would have made a good profit here, but then we had a huge run up, a little consolidation here, and then we're back to the run up. However, this month, although not ended, February is quite bearish for Bitcoin. It's looking to be as if it's forming a dark cloud cover pattern. Not exactly, but regardless, it's quite similar to a tweezer type pattern. Although it doesn't exactly resemble the candlesticks, the principle is the same. MACD and RSI, however, are bullish, but again, these will take time to correct. But we can see that volume is declining as well. Well, only in the recent history. But yeah, so we have a few mixed signals coming from the monthly charts. The weekly charts are in kind of a consolidation. We had this double top. The second top is here. So we're in this sideways pattern, and which is why I want it to either break down or go up to see if there's a continuation. Or a breakdown, and then we have a double top pattern, which we can clearly aim the target for. So yeah, that's where we stand in the weekly charts, where we need more confirmation to be able to say with certainty where we are right now. Again, RSI, however, is bearish. It was overbought and then it came back down. So it's not bearish per se, but yes, it is going down kind of in line with the price action. MACD is bearish as well. That's because we have had, bearish price action in the recent history. But as of now, for the weekly charts, I don't know if you noticed, we had two dojis and a high wave candle. So we have extreme indecision, and we need some idea as to where the market is going to go before taking trades. And even exemplified further, we can see how sideways this price action is for the last 2 weeks. So there's really no movement whatsoever. We had a crossover here, but it's so you can actually just barely see it. You can't even see it. You have to look at the histogram. It's just barely bullish. So we are seeing maybe a little bit of a bullish intent coming in here, but it's so close that we don't know. It'll dip anytime soon, anytime depending on the direction. If there's one directional candle, the MACD will just dip back down to wherever it's going. So yeah, now moving to the Excel sheet. Again, there was no trade last week. We're in the same place that we are now. We will buy Bitcoin when it crosses 99,654 and sell when it falls below 95,187 with a target of 2.15% and a trailing stop loss of 1.25%. If neither are hits, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.